Hello again from SG Company Services. With the aim of opening up for tourism this September when its population is 80% vaccinated, Singapore may just be back to business by the end of the year. If so, are you ready to expand your business? And if you are, you need to start hiring. What are the costs involved when hiring in Singapore? Let's find out. Singapore has a pension fund to which every working Singapore citizen and permanent resident needs to contribute. This pension fund is called Central Provident Fund or CPF. This is how it works when you hire a Singapore citizen or Singapore PR. There are three components to the salary payable. Number 1, employees take-home pay, that is 80% of gross salary. Number 2, employees' contribution to CPF, that is 20% of gross salary. And number 3, employer contribution to CPF, that is 17% of gross salary. Assuming a gross salary of 4,000 Sing dollars, the employee will be paid $3,200 or 80% in cash. The employer will then pay the $800 or 20% of the salary to the CPF on the employee's behalf. On top of that, the employer is expected to top another $680 or 17% into the employee's CPF account. To employ an employee at a monthly salary of 4,000 Sing dollars, the total payable is $4,680. The CPF contribution rate varies accordingly to the age band of the employee. So do refer to the official CPF website for more detailed information. In some circumstances, companies may opt to hire foreigners. This is usually the case if the company is unable to source the required talents locally. There are three types of work passes for foreigners: employment pass, S pass, and work permit. Depending on the skill level of the foreigner, the company will apply for the relevant work pass accordingly. For foreigners, they are not required to contribute to the CPF. Thus, for an employment pass holder commanding a monthly gross salary of 4,000 Sing dollars, the total payable will be $4,000 in cash. However, for S-Pass and work permit, these are subjected to a hiring quota and foreign workers levy payable monthly. These conditions vary according to the industry and type of work involved. Even though it might seem cheaper to hire foreigners, companies are advised to account for the additional cost of hiring foreigners, such as paying for their pass applications, accommodation, their flight back to their home country when the work pass expires. It is also essential for companies to practice the Fair Consideration Framework or FCF, which mandates all employers in Singapore to consider the local workforce fairly for job opportunities. Employers should not discriminate based on characteristics unrelated to the job, such as age, gender, nationality, or race. If the employer fails to adequately prove that they have practiced FCF and reasonably considered all local candidates, it is improbable that their foreign workers' work passes will be approved. Are you ready to hire talent for your company? We provide a full suite of talent sourcing as well as work pass application services. Talk to us today and let us know in the comment section below what other topics you are interested in. If you like our content, help us out by subscribing and push that notification button today. We will see you in the next video.